Previously on Outside Watch, we find some amazing remote beaches and Medmore in the quaint island of Ladigue.
Street traffic in Ladigue.
After a quick sail back to the main island of Mahe, we were ready for some hiking. The main island of Mahe has some really spectacular mountains and they're covered in hiking trails.
So
Ready for a
we'll
hike?
find out, yes. So now that I'm saying it's not gonna be that hard, we're probably gonna be huffing and puffing. We'll see. It says steep walk to the adventurous ones, offering breathtaking views of Obalon. It's a semi-natural landscape.
Oh, look at that frog. Paula's not gonna like that frog.
What? Oh my gosh, look at all those spots on its back.
Oh no! I'm not doing the hike anymore.
Probably has to be amputated.
Just take it off.
I've never been with an amputee before. It could be interesting.
We'll find out who the bitch is soon on the hiking trail.
Yeah. There you go.
Your toe starts hurting.
Went in already.
Not too fast.
Take 3 steps. Not too bad.
Wow.
What?
Oh my gosh! Look at it, it's huge!
You walked straight into it?
Yes! Look at it!
No, it's not on you.
Where?
Right there! It's massive!
Oh yeah.
Did it land on you, Jen?
Oh, not quite! Maybe there's more! Oh. The thing has to be poisonous.
I don't.
Oh, they're not. But they do bite, I think.
Look at this thing!
Where?
Right
Right there!
Right in front of the camera frame. Look where he's
Holy
pointing.
fucking shit, eh?
I walked right into it!
Oh, gross.
There's something on my shoulder. I'm serious.
Let me see. There is nothing.
Oh my
Fucking hell.
You bastard.
There is nothing.
Something landed on my shoulder.
I think it was that there's a little leaf like dangling
Where's
down
my
there.
own hair? Jen, you're way too realistic when you said, oh my god. I said, shut myself.
You evil thing.
Waiting for a spider to land on
Is
me.
there any chance we can go to a different spot that we can stand normally?
Yes. Okay, let's keep going.
So let's get to hiking. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, I could have had a picnic up here. Champagne.
That would be great actually.
Oh, this is beautiful. think the louder the music, the more we can kind of like get into party mode. Oh, the beast.
Fucking up.
Do you want to do a backflip with me off the boat?
Right now?
Yeah.
Do it. You need to go
Turn the
for it.
music up and do a backflip.
Oh, I'm getting quite drunk for a backflip, to be honest, but I'll do it.
I'll do this side.
Okay.
Oh, you're from Seychelles.
Matching swimsuits.
Oh yeah, it's better on this side.
Matching.
You guys part of like a synchronized swimming team?
Okay.
Holy fucking shit.
So tuck and push back and just think tuck. Grab your legs and tuck.
Oh, this is
That's
gonna be a
the key.
disaster.
Oh, what the
Alright.
fuck is this is this
You're
gonna be?
gonna don't hurt yourself, please.
It's a
tuck
bad
and roll.
feel if I don't do it right now.
Okay, I'll count down.
Just go.
I'm gonna go
just
3, 2, 1, okay? And 3, 2, 1.
1.
Did you jump on top of Paula? Oh my gosh, you're so close. Look, he jumps right on top of Paula. Oh my gosh, you guys are so lucky.
Roy, I'm depressed. You're leaving us.
For now.
But I'm going back soon.
Gonna miss you, bro.
We're gonna miss you, Roy. Oh.
Ah.
Oh, you'll have an emotional moment.
Yes.
No.
Paula!
We're all depressed.
No,
Oh,
don't
when are we
leave.
gonna see you next?
December. Definitely. December. I'm depressed too. I don't want to go.
Oh no, I don't want. I still don't believe it.
I know. It's gone quickly, hey?
I don't want to go.
After an emotional goodbye, Paula and Roy were flying back home, and the boat felt really empty. But we had a mission. We're setting sail south to Mayotte in South Africa, and the list of boat jobs was piling up fast. We had a lot of work to do before we could set sail.
Well, the countdown's beginning to go to Mayotte, which means we've got plenty of boat projects to do and things to get ready before we go. So I've made a list of to-do items. This isn't my idea. I've seen other people do this. But here's a few things. I'm sure Jen will be adding to this shortly, but a few maintenance things that I need to do. And these are to do, and then we'll move into in progress, and then once we're done, we'll move the sticky note to completed. So first thing I'm going to do, because it's a beautiful day outside, I'm going to service the windlass and grease that up. So that's in progress. So let's go do that. Windlass done.
Okay. You have all these manly tasks to do, and I'm just doing things like putting away clothes.
Yeah. You can see one of the blades missing, and there's another one that's cracked right there. I'm glad I changed this, because this thing was about to fail. It was already starting to. So it's all closed up. This was the end cap for the water pump, where the impeller is. And we'll just start the engine and check for leaks. And first, open the water.
Alright, next, just gonna do a quick oil change. Oil change. Oh, I never put it in progress. That's done. Impeller change. Done. It's one of the problems we've been having lately is furling in our genoa. You know, it's all electric that we do it here, but if there's even the slightest bit of power in the sail, then it's tripping off not the circuit breaker itself, but something inside the control box. And the only way to then get it to move again is then to go and reset the breaker. So what we've been having to do is just turn downwind to enable to furl in our genoa, which isn't right. It should be more powerful than that. So what I think it is the brushes inside the motor are not making good contact, or maybe they're sticky and need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna take the cap off the motor and spray the brushes, and clean them up with Corrosion X. Apparently this stuff's really good, and hopefully that fixes the issue. There are the brushes. So, short job became a big job, as always, and we're about to give it a test. Make sure it still runs.
Good.
Really, this was only a handful of things that we needed to do to get the boat ready for our passage. After the work was done, it was time to check out of the Seychelles. After checking out, we'll leave the marina, go back to Beauvalon, and wait for our weather window to head south to Mayotte. We're checking out of the Seychelles. Feels weird. It's a bit of a process, though. You have to start like several days in advance and send all these applications to different agencies, and then you have to get an agent to get your bill of exit for customs. But now I've done all that. It's the last day before departure. So now we go to the port, see customs, immigration, harbor master, and we should be done in a couple hours.
Like you're getting into a clown car.
We're cleared out. We are officially nomads. I'm not nomads, refugees.
Not refugees.
Well, in between countries. How about that?
Pose.
Peace. The peace sign's always a good one.
Perfect. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you got
Good.
it?
Peace. Yes. Okay. So I think we'll bow first. Thank you very much. Awesome.
Wish you guys all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. We'll see you guys next time.
Of course, I know you will come back.
Thank you. Yes, maybe. Maybe. We'll have to get around the world first. All right, bye. Thanks. All right, Chris, and we're off. Bye, Eden Island. Excited, Chris? What are you gonna miss most about the Seychelles?
Not the rolly anchorages, that's for sure. Sabre's pretty good. It's a good beer.
I knew you were gonna say that.
It's those. Nice, clear water. We won't see a lot after Mayotte. We're not going to see clear blue water for a long time, actually.
Oh, really?
Well, no, because we're going to South Africa, and then we won't see it again until either Brazil or the Caribbean.
You're looking nice.
It's our last night in the Seychelles.
It is. Can't
We're going
wait.
for a beef fondue.
Ooh.
Over there.
It's the most unhealthy but delicious meal there is.
What do you think? Last night in the Seychelles.
Pretty excited. Beautiful sunset.
It's going to be a very beautiful one, I think.
Best last sunset in the Seychelles. And we'll have a meat fondue on shore.
We're going to Mayotte.
We're going to Mayotte. We're calling it meat fondue. It's probably very primitive sounding.
Yeah.
I called on the phone and asked them, oh, we need to make a reservation for a meat fondue. And really, I believe it's called like a fondue burgnois. Nice French name.
Be good last night. Goodbye, Seychelles. This is it. Tomorrow morning we're out of here.
I'm really excited to go sailing with you.
Some good memories though here, for sure. Absolutely.
First, a meat fondue.
Yeah, first the meat fondue. Cheers.
Cheers. Sizzling hot.
Next time on Outside Watch, we set sail south on a 700-mile passage to the French island of Mayotte.
Anchor's up. We're going to Mayotte. Chris, it's up.
And sail straight into the jaws of the tiger.
Take back what I just said. The tiger is here. I didn't get on film, but we just had a squall with 40 knots. Thankfully I had reefed just in time.